Yep, thank you very much. Alright. Alright, so after a little onslaught I had with tickets, I came back. So now I have 5. And Henry is somewhere. And I think this is my first ever time on the Skyride. Very similar to the C&E Skyride, except this one is not as high. But we get a little view here, of course. On this beautiful Saturday afternoon. Actually, I'm an idiot because I haven't been here in 9 years, and I gave them I gave them 1 instead of the required amount, so I was so stupid. So I went back in line and purchased the tickets. I got 9 because after this I'm going to be riding the train, so Henry's going to be looking out for me. Okay. How do you turn this off? There's the farm. Alicia, the Palmers, and Marg are actually ran off somewhere. Yeah, this is a ride I've never been on before. There's, yep. I think we're going east right now, if I'm not mistaken. Look, there's a goat. We'll be going over some water here, and then I think it's gonna turn around. It's gonna loop around, and we're gonna come back here. So unlike the Skyride at the C&E, this one is actually 2-way, as opposed to the C&E Skyride, which is 1-way. These look like llamas here. Oh, there's the train. So I just wasted about 15 freaking minutes just because I messed up. A little bit embarrassing. Because Alicia was right behind me. Also, Marie was in the same situation as well, so... Oh man, I got so confused. Look, there's the train track, and it was rebuilt for several years. It was actually out of commission because of the devastating floods. As you can see, this it's been repaired. And when I came here 3 months ago, not 3 months, 3 weeks ago, I was walking through here and I noticed that everything was online. There's our amazing view of the skyline, CN Tower. And I'm all alone. There's nobody in front or behind. I can't drop my shit into the water. It's very nice and peaceful here. Look, there's the church. I was walking along that path 3 weeks ago when I was here. And I was in the middle of recording a walking video until I got to Centreville, and then we're gonna walk somewhere after. now is 12:05. Oh, there's a plane. All right, so now we're gonna loop around and head back in the other direction. And yep, we are being watched. There's cameras around here. All right, here we go. Whee!
Oh, hi. Oh.
72 hours.
Sorry, I was just playing a YouTube video. Actually, it was Henry streaming, to be honest. Oh, look at all the cute llamas. Oh, the black one! I've never seen a black one. Oh, we paused for a little bit. Oh well. Oh, now we're moving again. Yeah, so this is, compared to the C&E Skyride, this is a lot quieter. Yeah, it's definitely a lot of fun. Someone was imitating the goat. So now I'm on 1 bar. Really hope I'll have enough juice for the train ride. Oh look, there's the mine coaster. Alright. And we're almost done. Oh, there's Henry. Actually, both of them. All right. Oh, looks like Vasily's at the 10 Dundas East. All right. Ah, shit. Ah, there we go. Thank you very much. Woo! Oh boy. Oh, that was successful.
Bringing out the camera.
Yeah. All right, so I got to go to my second right now, which is the train.